I'm going to show you how I made these bonnets. These bonnets. And also, if you haven't already, please follow Lip Lust Cosmetics on TikTok. Best lip gloss hands down. This is some. Now back into the video. Two of you guys will be able to win one of these bonnets or whatever. And all you have to do is like, share, subscribe, and comment your favorite bonnet. So if it's pink, pink heart. If it's the blue, blue heart. Let me show you a little detail on this blue one. Blue is my favorite color. Can you see that? Coffee. I'm a coffeeer. I'm a coffee head. It's satin line. See that? Uh-huh. Yeah, natural hair girly. Just got your hair did. Just gonna keep it right. Okay? This one is satin lined as well. This one's really cute. It got the pink bandana on it. You see that? Yes. Yes. You see how the curls curling up here? You know what I'm saying? I would say this is a nice size. I would say regular, probably medium. I don't know. But it's cute. It stay on my head. It get the job done. But yes, like, subscribe, comment your favorite bonnet, and share this video. And one of these satin line bonnets, handmade, can be yours. Let's get into the video. Okay, so you need 22 inches by 22 inches. So take your tape measure, your ruler, whatever, get you 22 inches by 22 inches, cut that square out. You want to do this for your satin or whatever fabric you're using. I'm using two fabrics. This is my second one. This is going to be, my top fabric to be on top. It's a cotton. I'm going to do the same thing to that fabric. And yeah, I wound up making more than what I wanted to make, so that's why I'm giving away 2 extras, because I ended up with 4 instead of 2. But yeah, you're gonna do that with the blue fabric. I got my blue satin right here. I got my coffee cotton right here. That's mine right there. Yeah, that's mine right there. So yeah, 22 by 22. Fold that in half, fold it in half again. Okay, then you're going to take your tape measure. Now mine's a little smaller. So I did about, I think 11 and a half inches. And you want to do a circumference with that, which means you're just going to follow your tape measure all the way around for like half of a circle, 1/4 of a circle. Connect the dots and cut that out. Okay, this is how you get a circle. And make sure you're not cutting the folded points of your fabric, because you need that for the middle of your circle. So you're going to lay that on top of your second fabric. Cut that same measurement out. And now let's do the pink one. The pink one's a little bigger, okay, because I had more fabric for the pink one. I cut my fabric a little short, you know what I'm saying? I was going for 14 inches, but I got about a good 12, 13 inches for this pink one. So you're going to do the same thing. Cut that out. Boom. Going to take your second piece. Do the same thing there. Cut that out. And then I'm going to write my measurements on them. See that circle? That's what you want. Put those right sides together, meaning the shiny side of the satin and the more pigmented side of the cotton. Right sides together. Pin that, clip that. Okay. Now you see that? I'm writing my measurements down. because when we sew it, we're going to sew a 1/2 inch seam around the edge of it. And we're going to leave like a 1/2 inch open so we can turn it inside out. Okay, here we go. 1/2 inch. See that? Leaving that open. Yeah, let's get your 1/2 inch, sew that around. See that opening? Leave it open. We're going to do the same for the pink. And then we're just going to take it to the iron and the ironing board or whatever you want to iron on. I did it on my table with a little ironing mat underneath it. Flip that inside out. You want to iron it flat so your fabric don't move when you sewing your 1.5 inches and stuff like that, because this satin is really slippery. I ain't gonna lie to you. So yeah, iron that. Iron that one. Boom. You're gonna go to the sewing machine again. 1.5 inches all the way around and close it. See that's open? The other one, close it. Now this one right here is for our casing. You're going to start sewing right there, back stitch, go around, but you're not going to close this one. You're going to keep this one open, just like we did the first one. And this is a 1/2 inch away from the 1.5 inch line, the line that's all closed. You see that right there? That's the casing. We're going to put our elastic in there. See that? Leave it open. Leave it open. Now, same thing for the pink one. Bam, 1.5 inches all the way around. 1/2 inch. Boom, leave it open. That's what we looking like. Now, you need a safety pin or something to get this elastic through. Be careful with the safety pin. You see my finger? Yeah. I hurt myself. Be careful. Now, once you get your elastic through there, tie it in a knot or you can sew it. I tied mine 3 times. I tied 3 knots. Put that to the side. Now, this pink one was easy peasy because I used a hairpin and put tape on it, and then I shimmied it through like that. Them safety pins be poking, I ain't gonna lie. So be careful with those. This is a better option if you have a hairpin in your house. Bobby pin, hairpin, whatever, tape it. Tape the end closed. Now you're gonna close that up. And after that, we all done. So you want to back stitch. Then you want to sew it a little bit to the other edge, back stitch. Bam. Same to the bottom opening right there. Back stitch, close it up, back stitch again. Cut your threads. That's what we looking like. That's it. After that, you want to, distribute your fabric around the elastic so it can all, kind of be even. You want it to be even for your ruffles. You want your ruffles to be even, so this is what you want to do, just like that. Just move it around a little bit. And there you go. I got 2 bonnets, just like that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow me on YouTube. Thank you. Mwah.